what's good, y'all? So this video right here, man, is gonna be me detailing and washing the scat, man, the outside, because a lot of people be asking me how I keep the car looking so shiny and stuff, man. Back here, it's the dirtiest part, man, y'all. Like, I don't know why this get dirty so fast and stuff like that. Even if you wash, like, I give it, like, the next day, you will see that spot back there will get dirty, man. But yeah, people be asking me how I keep the scat maintained clean, and you know what I'm saying, the wheels and stuff like that, how I keep it clean. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all what I do. It's just a simple low wash, but you know, it might not look like the scat need cleaning, but trust me, y'all, it does. It does. It's been raining for a good bit over here where I'm at, man. So yeah, man. So yeah, let's just get right into this video, y'all. so we just got done washing her off and drying her off, man. And now she just shining, man, like the first day I got her, man. So yeah, man, this is gonna wrap up the video, man. This is us, detailing our car right here. Just a little simple detail. Not too much, but not too less, But yeah, man, this is gonna wrap up the video, man. If y'all boy enjoy videos like this, man, let me know in the comment section below, man, if y'all want to see more videos like this, man. And let some more video ideas, man, because the big scat needs some more video ideas, man, if y'all don't mind. But yeah, let's get this video to at least 40+ likes. And yeah, it's the Hemi twins, and we out.